Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. And just having a look here at the ASX 200 again, looks really good. Broken above this sort of, I think, resistance of 5,400, and it looks a little bit tepid, but that's really good price action. And that obviously encouraged us to start putting some more trends on. And Equity Story, we love trending stocks is what we love to do, and nothing more we love is see this market looking a little bit more bullish, so we can jump on these trends and start making some more money. I mean, we added two today. Ramsay Health Care. Again, I call this cheating really, but again, hitting record highs. A stock that hardly ever breaks through its moving average, and certainly if you can see this run, it's having this run it had back here in September, November. For me, it's sort of potentially heating up for this type of run, so I think Ramsay can have a nice little run up. Again, fundamentally looking very, very strong in China and growing its earnings at an incredible rate, so really happy to add that as a trending stock. The other one we added today was corporate travel. Again, absolutely stunning, got a nice little buy signal forming, and again, certainly that $16 has got to be a target price in the interim. Again, fantastic company, and again, hardly ever breaking that long-term trend line. Looks very, very good. And again, obviously, some of the ones we've got at the moment making money for us. CSL looks even better. Got a fantastic little buy signal on it. Again, the just looks absolutely excellent. SGR been a bit slow for us, SGR, but now starting to do its thing. And again, all we do Equity Story is buy into these nice upwards trending stocks, and eventually we should be making some good money out of it. Hansen, again, one of our favorites, and I think just a great company, Hansen, and I think pretty aggressive trend. Looks absolutely excellent, and just a matter of holding these stocks now. TPM, again, I think these are some of the best trends at the moment, the ones we put on the ASX. Maybe not the most aggressive, but I say they're sort of the most stable trends as well. And again, TPG Telecom, what a fantastic looking trend. And obviously Burson, possibly the best trend on the ASX 200 at the moment, looks absolutely stunning. So I really do like that bunch of trending stocks we've got at the moment. I think the one that got away was obviously MTR. I do expect fundamentally the story will bounce back, and we'll end up one day making good profits on it. I just like to say the 3-year growth stories. It's really like sort of quite hard. They're just absolutely flying through, and we keep saying there's no problem taking a bit of money on them. If you want to take a profit, I certainly wouldn't be selling Adacel at the moment. It looks absolutely stunning. It's right on a little buy signal. It looks really good. VTG, again, these are short-term charts. I think it might come back to 420, but it looks very, very, very strong. Maybe one that if you want to take some cards off the table would be APX. Again, I think it has had a strong run. I do think it's due for a pullback, and I think around that sort of maybe 280 mark or 290 mark could be a possibility. BWX, again, absolutely stunning. These are on daily charts. So if I actually showed you these on weekly charts, they've run actually much harder. But again, just playing around with it a little bit. Often what we do with trending is just playing around and massaging the charts and getting a feeling where they might go next. But again, I think BWX hitting record highs, and again, they've got a fantastic, that silicon product. My wife uses it for our kids, and they're going into China at the moment, and potentially this could be another little Bellamy's on our hands. Catapult up another 3% today. Just incredible price action for a company that's just raised money. I think under 350. It's just a stunning price action and a stunning company, and obviously the market really like it. So all those 3-year growth are just some of the standouts. I think Main Pharma, again, hitting $2. I think that's quite an important mark for it. These sort of $1.50, $2 I think if it breaks those $2, possibly there's not much going back for it. Again, on that short-term chart, it's a daily chart. It's very aggressive, but it does really look to me that it's going to be going higher in the short term. I just quickly like to say there was some interesting movements. You know, we put the weekly buy and sell signals out, and again the market today had a pretty decent day. It was up 0.53%, but those weekly buy signals did very well. I think we're up out of 13 we had 12 or 11 of those were up in the green, which is again a good sign they're doing their job for us. And again, with the stocks that we said were bullish, I think apart from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the other 23, 24 are all up. So again, those weekly buy and sell signals are continuing to amaze the market. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and hopefully, I apologize. We are trying to get a 10 bagger out. We're just not quite there yet, but I do look forward to getting that to you sometime this week. And thank you for listening to Equity Story, and good night. Good night.